Okay, I want to get right into this topic right now. What you see here is exactly true. Heal financially, learn how to eliminate debt, stress, and build a steady cash flow business. You clicked on this video because you want to heal financially. In 2021, you want success, finance, you want bills paid that's on your kitchen table right now. You want to go on vacations and you want to buy that house or that dream car this year. And I'm going to show you how you can start getting to that direction in this video. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome and thank you for watching this video today. And we're going to talk about it and we're actually going to walk through the steps right now of how you can heal financially in 2021, the Wealth Accelerator, 100% free. If you do not like this at all, don't forget right below this video, click on the link below to get part of this movement of this Heal Financially. So right now, when you come to this page, all I want you to do is put your name and your email address. So in the link below, it's the same page that you see right now. So I'm going to put a name. I'm going to put test for this one, and I'm going to put an email address. So this is what I want you to do when you get to this page. And it says, get our Wealth Accelerator 100% free. And it says, watch the video as well. So I'm going to click there. I want you to do exactly the same thing when you get to this page. Then it comes right to here and it says, heal financially. Our mission is to help you heal financially. No more stress, eliminate debt, and build a steady cash flow business. Because I know you want that. You've been searching around programs, or you're working 80 hours a week at your job, or you're unemployed right now, or you just want some extra cash. This is a good place to start right now, and we are doing good things this year. So watch this video here. It's going to help you at least get you in that mood of exactly what you're getting yourself into. And you know what? I'm going to play a little bit of this video because why? I want you to get immersed into this financial movement.
My name is Steven Munson. I'm gonna help you heal financially. You're gonna discover how to reduce your debt, get out of financial stress, and increase your cash flow without spending thousands of dollars on hiring somebody, even if you hate your current financial situation. Now, right now in America, 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and they are stressed out, frustrated, and feeling hopeless. 39% of Americans cannot even afford a $400 emergency, and about the same amount, 40% of Americans have less than $10,000 in retirement. Did you know that 80% of people in the world are stressed about money? And that's why I'm going to help you heal
financially. That's where it is. I'm going to pause it right there, but when you get to this part of the actually program, I want you to watch this entire video. You may need to watch it twice, just like I did, and then you'll get really more immersed into this actually movement. And so it says, set up long-term income producing activities. I want assets. Assets. Well, activities gonna be involved as well, but assets. And look at this, $9.97. Click here to heal financially. And what I like about this, look at this, no monthly fee. This is a one-time payment of $9.97. Now this could vary because is three different prices on here. It's $9, $14, $19. But listen, you're gonna see a price on there and all the prices are really good. So whatever price is here, take advantage of it. Because right now it's $9. You wanna click on here to get the $9, $9.97. So you want to jump on this price immediately. So this is exactly what Steven Munson, the CEO of Heal, he was talking about. 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, which is true. 39% of Americans can't afford a $400 emergency fund. That's very true. 48% of Americans have less than $10,000 saved up for retirement. That is very true. 48% actually could be higher than 48% now. And then 74% of Americans are stressed about money. That number's gonna go up. I really believe that number's gonna go up unless you take action, unless we take more action in terms of our own sales and our own bank account. That is so true. That number could go even higher than that, which is very concerning. And the reason why I'm doing this video, because I know if you're watching this long, you understand and believe exactly what I'm talking about. 74% of Americans are stressed about money. Heal financially. Click on the link below to get started. That's all I gotta say. Get started, get through the program, get through the training, and let's go ahead and not only heal financially now, but also for the future. So look at this also. Employees and families around the world are struggling with money and they need real help. That's very true. They're being taken advantage of by employers, definitely, lenders, government, and schools. Most people in the world are drowning in student loan debt, oh yes, credit card and mortgages. They are living paycheck to paycheck and falling behind every single week. This must end, and we must have a solution with our affordable education program called Heal Financially. Absolutely. So when you click on here, you'll go right to a page where you can go ahead and put your information in and signing up. That's all you do. So you click here. I'm walking you through this whole process, and then you just fill out your information right here, your name, your address, your email, and your credit card, and you place your order, and then the price of it will be right there, okay? And these are the testimonies of people who've already received the Heal Financially. They already received the product, and they're all excited about it, and I'm telling you, I really believe you will too. But this is what I want you to do. When you go ahead and sign up, when you click on the link below, you sign up, you Heal Financially, I want you to go through the entire program. So I want you to go through the program, not just sign up and want things to happen for you, but I want you to take action on the assignments. The assignments will really help you out as well. I'm gonna do a review video based on the Heal Financially terms of the course itself, but I want you to actually go through the program. Go through the program because I really think it's gonna help you out, help you heal financially today. Because remember, 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. Listen, if I'm just watching that right there, and right here, 74% of Americans stressed out about money, well, remember, that's almost 100%, 74%. So that's leaving out, what, 26%? 26% of the people are not stressed out about money. Oh my goodness. So are you stressed out about money right now? Are you making enough? Or if you're making enough, do you have the time? See, think about Heal Financially. Not only the financial is going to help you financially, but it's going to help your time. More time with your family, more time with your friends. And just like what Stephen Munson says in this video here, no more stress, eliminate debt free, and a steady cash flow business. So cash is coming into your life, it coming into your bank account on a weekly basis without you stressing about money, paying the bills on the kitchen table, or paying for the car insurance that you know good and well that you just don't have enough money from it. So I just want you to do right now, when you see that yellow button, when you click on the link below, go ahead, take advantage of it. Take advantage of this opportunity. But just like it said here, these money problems don't stay at home either. They follow you everywhere, even to work. You are stressed out, distracted with fear of your future, and increasing doubt about money. So these things stay with you. You know, it doesn't just just go away. They stay with you unless you do something about it. So this is a step for you in the right direction in 2021. It's time to go ahead and just take action. That's all I gotta say. So click on the link below. Get started with Heal Financially. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video presentation today. I'm so excited that you clicked on here. And if you lasted this long through this video, that means you really, really want to heal financially in your bank account. Heal financially in terms of time. Heal financially of eliminating stress, eliminating debt, eliminating, the worriness, the concerns. You really want that for you, your family, your kids, and then even your kids' kids. You know what I'm saying? Because this is something that can really help them in the future, especially when you really emerge into this, it can really help you out as well. So don't forget to click on the link below. Don't worry about it. Click on the link. You'll come to that page that we went before. So you go to this page here, remember, and then you'll go to this page here, right? And then you'll click here, Heal Financially, click there, and then you'll sign up. Very simple and easy to do. And then after that, check your email inbox. That's how you can sign up and get immersed into the course. Get to the email inbox, sign up, be ready to go, and I'll see you on the inside. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more up-to-date information, edutainment information that's going to help you each and every single day in your business or even your personal life. I got you covered. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. I'll see you on the next video. I'm going to do another video about Heal Financially because we're going to be healing each person at a time. I'll see you later.